Here are 3 online business ideas that you can be able to start on a weekend in Kenya. What this means is that between Friday evening and Monday morning, you can be able to tap into any of these 3 online business ideas in Kenya and lay the foundation of what will become your income generating online business in Kenya. And the good news is that you have everything that you need to be able to turn these online business ideas in Kenya into a money-making side hustle for yourself or even a full-time online business in Kenya. You can really start making money online by taking any of these online business ideas and spending your weekend creating or building them into an income-generating online business in Kenya. Starting a blog in Kenya is something that you can do on a weekend. You can start one on a Saturday or on a Sunday. And this is one of the online business ideas that you can use to turn your knowledge or expertise into an income-generating asset. You can be able to leverage the power of the internet and sharing your insights, your expertise, your skills, life experiences, and building it into an online business. And in very simple terms, you are going to create a blog on a topic or on something that you enjoy. And it could be anything. You could talk about business, you could talk about parenting, you could talk about sports, maybe interested in cooking, in farming, in insurance, in finance, in traveling, in sailing, in real estate, and in dating, among very many other topics. All you need to do is to pick something that you're interested in and use that to build your blog. By sharing your insights and expertise, you're going to attract people who are interested in the content that you are creating. And over time, you're going to build a loyal audience. Now, you can be able to monetize your blog in Kenya, or you can be able to make money with your blog in Kenya. And there are a number of ways on how blogging makes money in Kenya. Some of those ideas or monetization strategies that you can use include display advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products, coaching and consulting. You can also be able to do subscription, as well as looking for corporate sponsorships and brand deals, among very many other ideas. And to start a blog on a weekend, it is actually not complicated. It's going to cost you probably less than 6,000 Kenya shillings. And that is the amount of money you need to actually buy your domain and get the basic web hosting. The rest of the stuff you can actually install without additional cost, and you can actually build your blog, and over time you can actually start investing the money you make to actually make it better or grow and scale your blog in Kenya. A YouTube channel in Kenya can be a very good platform for you to monetize your knowledge, your skills and expertise on a particular topic. You may even use it to share your passion, your hobbies and experiences that you have had in life. You can probably share things to do with sports, how you are raising your kids, how you are running your business, traveling, engineering, cooking, budgeting, fashion, fitness, and motorsport, among very many other topics that you can actually talk about on your YouTube channel in Kenya. The idea is that you should pick something or a topic that you have knowledge about or that you're interested in and share your insights, expertise, opinions with the audience that you're building. The good thing about starting a YouTube channel in Kenya is that it is free. All you need to have is a Gmail account, and setting up an account is something that you can do within 30 minutes, and if you are slow, probably within an hour. But the real work will come when it comes to creating content and having a clear plan on how you are actually going to make money with your YouTube channel. And this is where you need to have a proper business plan or a monetization plan, because there are a number of ways on how your YouTube channel in Kenya can actually generate an income for you. Some of those ideas include display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorships and brand deals. You can do subscription, you can sell your own merchandise, as well as selling your digital product or services, including monetizing through coaching and consultancy. Quite a number of ways in which you can be able to turn your YouTube channel into an income generating asset. Now, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, and that's why you should be spending your weekends, your Saturdays and Sundays working on your YouTube channel. And this means that even if you are working at another office, or you have a full-time job, or you run a business from Monday to Friday, you probably can allocate a few hours every Saturday and Sunday to actually focus on your YouTube channel as a side hustle. And if you actually have the time, or you are not doing anything else, then you can actually focus on your YouTube channel full time. That can be the thing that you do from Monday through to Sunday, which would apply to you if you do not have a job and are looking for a way to create a business for yourself. Reason being, you can be able to turn your YouTube channel into an income generating online business in Kenya. Affiliate marketing is another great online business idea that you can start on a weekend in Kenya. And it is not going to cost you any money, and if it does, it is a very low cost kind of a business. And the idea or the concept behind affiliate marketing is pretty simple. Here, what you're doing is that you are actually getting paid to promote other people's or other companies' products and services. And basically what happens is that you get a product or a service, and you get a special link, or what you might call an affiliate link, which is only associated with you to track that particular product or service. And this means that when you make a sale, or when a sale is made using your special affiliate link, you get a piece of that sale. You get a commission on that particular sale. And the amount of money that you are going to get paid depends on also the cost or the price of that particular product or service. They may range from as low as 2 or 3 or 5% to as high as 20, 30, even 50% on some of the digital products that you find online. This online business concept or business model can work very well if you have a blog, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you are active on social media, because you can leverage the audience that you build on those platforms to actually promote product or services and earn a commission from the sales you make from promoting those products or services to your audience. For example, if you are passionate about fitness, you could start a fitness blog, a fitness YouTube channel, where you are going to be reviewing and promoting products related to fitness, such as fitness equipment, workout equipment, fitness applications, or even fitness supplements. And what you are going to do is you are going to join affiliate programs of specific companies that deal with those particular products or services. Or you might even join a general one like Amazon affiliate program, where you actually promote products and get paid a commission when somebody buys that product. Now, it is very important for you to also be a little bit careful when doing affiliate marketing, because you do not want to promote product or services just for the sake of it. You would want to promote products and services that are aligned to your audience, that are relevant to the audience or the target market that you are dealing in. And even more importantly, it is advisable that you only promote products and services that you use, or affiliate products that you actually believe in. Because remember, you're trying to help your audience. And I don't think it would be fair to recommend something that you don't believe in, or something that you yourself would not use. Now, affiliate marketing, or the income that you're going to generate from affiliate marketing, might start small, but as you continue to build it over time, that can grow into a substantial monthly income for you, whether from your social media accounts, from your YouTube channel, or from your blog. The key thing is you need to start doing it and continue being consistent in promoting your affiliate products or services. If you have enjoyed this particular video, I am sure you are going to enjoy the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.